¿Qué onda tu chacho? Arriba las manos, caballo moreno, penetra tu barrio.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I guess we're vlogging today. So yeah, guys, we're in Walmart now, chilling like a villain. My family's going fishing, but I don't fish, bro. I don't like that smell. It's kind of gross. So yeah, we're by the meat section right now because, well, I mean, I don't like meat like that, but I like meat. But I don't like it like that, you weirdos. You guys are weird. Yeah, I'll vlog when I get to the beach then, I guess. I guess you're getting sushi right now. Or some expensive ass sushi because, like, every single sushi is expensive. For 20 boys. For 20 boys. So guys, what's up? Just came to the beach. It's kind of a nice day. It's a really nice day actually. It's so windy. That's why my audio is really messed up. So guys, what's up? I'm building a rock thing. It's gonna be a time lapse. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so that didn't work that well. Surprisingly, nah. No, it wasn't gonna work. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be here. This is the final product. It's kind of trash, but I'm gonna try to rebuild it. Yes sir. So guys, what's up? Sorry for not posting last night. I mean, I posted one video, but I feel like that wasn't long enough, so hopefully today makes up for it because this is one of my first vlogs. We shall see how it goes, so that when I do get a camera, I can have a feel for what I need to do and put out for you guys, so that you guys like my content. I think when I get home I'm gonna start posting this video, but then I'm also gonna start recording for another story time, or like, let me know, DM me, text me, or Snapchat me telling me, hey Raven, I like your vlogs, or I like your story time, keep it to story times, or I like your vlogs, can you make more? Like, if you guys want to see some kind of content from me, just let me know. I'll try and do it as much as I possibly can to keep you guys attracted to my YouTube channel. I think that's gonna be it until, like, oh yeah, school's starting back up soon, so my upload schedule is gonna be garbage. Homework and stuff is just gonna come before making my YouTube videos, so yeah, hopefully I can put out content for you guys when school starts. But I am getting a GoPro soon, so you guys are gonna see some surfing footage and all kinds of stuff. That's what I'm gonna mainly use for recording my vlogs and stuff until I get an actual recording camera. But yeah guys, hopefully you guys like my YouTube content. I think I'm gonna go swim now. Yeah, talk to you guys later. Shoots, boys. I just got the idea, guys. I think I'm gonna bring you guys swimming. once I get my GoPro, you guys are coming swimming. You guys are gonna float around in the water or like look at the fish, do something. So guys, what's up? So my brother just caught a crab, I guess, and it's a black crab. I don't even know how to say its size is because I do not look at crabs that often, so I'd say it's like small to medium, I guess. Let's look at this.
Bingo.
One down. I don't know, he's gonna put it away. Well guys, we're back, and yeah, we're still here. It's been like an hour or two so far. Kind of over the beach stuff. There's no waves. I'd rather be surfing right now, honestly. Like a low key. But yeah, I'm gonna also be putting out another story time. Hopefully you guys like that one. Like and comment on this video because like it's gonna help me out a lot. Also share my content, guys. Share it out, put it out there. That would be very helpful in growing my channel. Should be getting a camera soon because I'm kind of over recording on my phone. It's taking up too much storage. Half of it went to iCloud, so whenever I get a new phone, I guess I'll have those videos loaded and ready to go for no reason, you know. Tell me what kind of content. Tell me what kind of like content you guys want me to post in the first place, like gaming. I don't know. I mean, I'm not really a gamer, but I could, I guess, for you guys, because if that's what you guys want, I can easily do it. I mean, I game a little bit, but I don't think you'd